The bigger the bulb, the better. So keep that in mind when you're buying bulbs, tulips, crocus, even amaryllis. The bigger the bulb, the better. And here are some really nice looking tulips, but you can get bigger ones than these. The other bulb, which I think is fantastic, are the daffodils. The daffodils are deer-proof, squirrel-proof, vole-proof. You can plant some of your bulbs individually with this bulb planter. Now you can also purchase a little hand bulb planters, and they don't work for me because this soil tends to be, even though it's great soil, it tends to be hard. So what you do is you can just come in and you twist and push, and you get the soil out. And I probably would come in again because I like to plant them deeper. When you're done, you get your bulbs, either daffodils or tulips, and you're just going to come in like this and put them in and fill right over the top. It's that easy. So, some other things that you can consider to create holes is to use a drill. I have learned that maybe planting daffodils 9 to 10 inches deep works well because they always each year grow toward the surface. And tulips I also like to put in a little deeper. In this case, I'm going to put in daffodils. So you can put either 1 or 2. And the soil appears to be hard, but remember that the soil that you're going to put on top of the bulb is going to be nice and loose. So once you put the bulbs in, all you're going to do is fill in on top of the bulbs. When you space them out, you're going to space them out about 8 inches apart. What I'm going to do here is prepare an area that I will plant a group of bulbs, so you're going to get a mass effect of color in the spring. So I kind of go through and loosen the soil. I first use a shovel. There are many products that you can use to enrich the soil and loosen the soil in a way of organic composts and things. This here is lobster compost. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to put about 2 inches. Then I'm going to take a fork and the reason I like a fork is it breaks up the clods of soil. What you see here is the soil's breaking up. But if you do it when it's wet, it compacts the soil and it ruins the soil for many years. So make sure the soil is loose and friable, and that means it breaks up. Once you're done, You're then going to take your shovel, I'm digging around 6 to 8 inches deep. Once you're done, you're going to set the bulbs. And I put them a little closer. The soil is soft underneath the bulbs, and I am setting them around 3 to 4 inches apart. What I'm going to do is then gently fill this back in. You can mulch if you want when you're done, but only maybe 2 inches of mulch is all you want to do. So I'm just going to fill this in here. Oh, here's Whitey, my garden cat. And that's all you do. And you could have another group here, and it'll give you a great display in the spring. I'm Mark Viette. Join me next time in the garden.
For more garden tips, go to inthegardenradio.com.